what we discovered at the Smithsonian in a collection that was developed starting 50 years ago was a tiny fossil skull of an amphibian relative. What's really unique about this skull is that it has different proportions of the different elements of the skull compared to other fossil amphibians living at the time. And additionally, we find that there is a tiny little bone at the back of the skull that we don't expect to see at this stage of amphibian evolution. My colleagues and I came up with a name through a lot of deliberation. We really wanted to come up with a name with a multifaceted name. So Kermitops was named after Kermit the Muppet because we thought it was an appropriate name to name the fossil after a modern-day representative of the whole amphibian family tree, Kermit the Muppet. We also wanted to bring attention to the sort of artfulness and playful creativity that scientists and paleontologists have, and bring the fossil to a broader audience than it normally would have with, perhaps a more technical name. And with the species name gratus, we really wanted to pay respect to the people that have been involved in the research, even outside of the writing, including the former curator of paleontology at the Smithsonian, Nicholas Houghton, and all of the people that work with Nicholas Houghton collecting it. In terms of our understanding of amphibian species, with this discovery, we now understand that there is a lot of underlying complexity in the steps that it took to acquire the modern amphibian skull shape that we see in frogs, salamanders, and their kin today. It's really important because we have a lot of gaps in our understanding of modern amphibian evolution, and any bit of information is going to be really helpful. And unfortunately, in our case, Kermitops provided a whole ton of information and a lot more direction in terms of where we might want to go looking for next.